trauma privately. I don't want to be a burden, I handle things defiantly. Spent a decade searching for a higher power guiding me. Figured out that faith is not up there, that it's inside of me. Act with execution, what's a plan with zero action? Faced with bad habits, knowing it's a magnet to my imbalance. I'm somewhere between confidence and arrogance. The middle ground is treacherous, I work on getting out of it. Pops is looking down, I feel him every time the sun shine. Back to being unsigned, I only got my bloodline. With me going forward, smoking cookie till we dumb high. Heard you taking shots, we pulled up on them, they was gun shy. 2 p.m. in Rome, we at the chapel eating sun-dried tomatoes and a plum wine. Life been like a movie, I don't know how long the run time. Hope it's an extended cut, but when I died, I load my consciousness onto a thumb drive. And upload it to the masses when I pass. All my sets is holographic, life's as real as you imagine. My Jewish girl was tight, cause I ain't linker on the Sabbath. But it's Friday and I got a few robins I need a bask in. Playing traffic, if you wanna play the faction. We don't act, we getting active, stacking cash and dodging taxes. My father was a Catholic, never taught me how to practice. But with music, I'm a Baptist. Chris and all these fucking tracks, I bless these raps with. Standing in the middle of the mine. Shit, baby, both sides caving on the drive. Praying to my pops and the guys. God, please help me out. Can you spare me for once? Spare me for once. Hey, 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 yeah. Can you spare me for once? Spare me for once. Hey, I ain't asking for much. No.
We watch history. We make history. And one day we become it. Drop some buckets and then we take the bucket. Just trying to reach the peak before I finally plummet.
Standing in the middle of the mine. Shit, baby, both sides caving on the.
What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to another edition of the Trader Shop with me, T Hobbs. And of course, you know I got my man Jay Seals in the building. What is going on, brother?
What's up, everybody?
It is another is that Wednesday or Thursday? Thursday.
Today is Thursday.
CPI is normally on Wednesday. That's why I'm kind of thrown off. But it's another thirsty Thursday, and the Bulls got their cup filled, and they absolutely sent the bull market all the way up 67 points or 80 points. In other words, of all the CPI reads, right, this was one of the better ones, but this was one of the more lackluster pushes we've gotten from good news. So it's kind of got people's radars up, at least for me. It's got my radars up a little bit. Not really looking to short, not really looking to go long. I'm just looking to let the market develop this morning. I kind of got an idea what I want to do. As you guys know, I don't really make plans on CPI days. I normally just kind of let the market play itself out and then let some of that volatility die down a little bit. Maybe take trades inside of that 1050 macro a little later. Like, let the dust settle a little bit. My blood ain't really built for that. You know what I'm saying? So, but as per usual, please make sure you guys tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button. Turn those notification bells on so you get notified every time we go live and or put out a video. Also, if you did YOLO and you decided to short this market, don't forget resets are $35 on Apex, or they just extended the sale for 2 weeks, 80% off, and you can use the discount code scrolling right below here, right, and get you an affiliate link. You know what I mean? If you decided to go short before it was time to go short, you know, and you was like, got this fresh 300K, I know we coming down, I'm short the hell out of this shit. The market was like, yeet. Hey, man, discount code, we got you. You know what I'm saying? Use the affiliate link if you want to help out the channel. Also, go and watch the videos on the channel. Watching Justin's journey. He's starting to post regularly his reviews on the day in regards to his trading, which is awesome. And then also the Discord link is in the description down below if you guys are interested in using the or joining us in how we trade and all that good stuff. Learning from a pretty strong community. We got new traders, we got beginner traders, we got intermediate traders, and I would say that we have some pretty good traders at a higher level of their trading career as well. So a nice little mix up, ICT, supply and demand, trend lines, all that good stuff. Anything you want to know, we got it in that Discord. And then also we just focus on market structure. So we had a good psychology talk last night, which I thought was really awesome. But without further ado, I'd like to hear your thoughts on the market. Do you ever get real sleep at night, bro?
No, I don't.
This dude never gets sleep. I have never seen Justin wake up without like.
But I'm pretty tired right now. Tired of these damn bulls. God damn it! Stop buying the market.
Yeah, I mean, it'd be nice if they could come down to a level that was, that I would like. I mean, this is probably a pretty nice level, but I don't know. I'm just not ready yet. Whenever CPI goes like that, my FOMO radar goes off, right? And like I gotta let my emotions relax and come down to a level that I'm like, okay, now I'm ready to trade. I'm not ready to trade right now. And if future self is watching this on Saturday, don't worry. We do see the market at an area to trade. I'm just focused on my emotions right now, and I don't want to put a trade on while I'm there. So just wait an hour, wait an hour. So wait for that next macro or something to hit, and we'll be fine. It's okay, bro. It's okay. All right. So Justin,
he has to talk to himself in the future because he knows.
I know I'm watching on Saturday.
He's gonna be yelling at himself because he should be in long right now. So he's got to tell his future self not to be mad, and his future self in like 3 days he's gonna watch this and still be like, man, why did I say that dumb shit to myself? I shouldn't be talking to myself like that. That's
and Justin's future self is gonna say, yeah, Hobbs, I was long this whole time.
Nah, I'm not yet. I'm kind of with you right now. I'm just waiting to kind of let the dust settle a little bit and kind of see what we want to do. Although the market still looks very, very bullish. These damn bulls.
Yeah.
But hey, I just wanted to say real fast. I've been kind of reading the comments and Dr. JC. Oh God, Pip, don't go down that road, Pip. Nah, I'm playing. But Dr. JC, I've been looking at the landscape of Apex too. I know a trader he's been getting paid out just fine. So I feel like the biggest thing with Apex right now is that you just can't DCA. Like that's the only thing that you really can't do. I think that's the thing that has been catching a lot of people is that dumbass DCA rule. I had people who said they got denied because of the DCA rule. So I mean, as long as you're not DCA, I think it's dumb, but whatever. So.
Yeah, facts.
Yeah.
But anyway, I would say let's jump right into the pre-market plan, but I don't really make pre-market plans on CPI days. I just kind of let the market develop, which is developing pretty nicely. We had this breakout above CPI. We're coming back into this level, finding more buyers, and then we're looking like we want to push out of this area again, which is, hold on. Is that Malik hot mic and everything?
Probably.
I didn't say anything. I can't even get to mute. I can't even get to the point where I can mute you yet. So, but we got this area down here. We tapped back into 50% of 20,884. Came back down to midnight, retraced all the way back down, and now we're finding more buyers on the way back up. So for me, I'm more inclined allow this to push back up and then wait for the retest of that. So if we come out of here, we push right to 21,000 or whatever it is we do, like I'm expecting some volatile shit to happen, but I'm okay with that because I know it won't be the only volatile move, right? So if we come back up here and we break this high, then I'll take 50% of that move and wait for price to come back down. I know it's going to take about 2 to 3 hours. So I'm like already kind of mentally protecting myself and awaiting that to happen. Right. And if that does happen, then that's what I'll be willing to trade. This candle right here, this liquidation candle just doesn't give me warm and fuzzies. And I would rather just allow this to kind of play itself out. Right. Because if we didn't break any structure to the downside here, but I also don't want to get in front of these bears that broke this structure here at 942. I'd be more inclined to let this sell down a little more or let it push out, whichever one it wants to do. I'll just wait until the sequence kind of plays itself out. So those are kind of my thoughts on the NASDAQ this morning. Justin, you want to give your thoughts on ES?
Yeah, I mean, ES and NASDAQ are both in the same place for me. I think ES is still in my box, but NQ kind of broke out, but it came back. So yeah, if I find it, there we go. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty much the same. Like, we're under the 50% of this entire move, but we're kind of holding, basically filled back in this candle in this low volume area. Pretty much, we're trying to bounce now. We'll see what happens, but I'm kind of with Hobbs in the fact that I want to be a little bit more patient on the day. As long as we're above CPI candle or this CPI run up, then I'm obviously going to be bullish, because I mean, there's no reason to be bearish. But if we can start to break some of these levels and come back and maybe retest this area, that's the only way I'm really looking to get short on the day. Other than that, as long as we're above here, I want to remain pretty bullish, because it's just, I mean, look what we did yesterday. There's no reason to try to short the market when we're doing crazy shit. So, all my biggest winners have been to the bullish side, and I don't think that's going to change anytime soon. So might as well just stay with the bulls.
Yeah, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, man. Don't try to fix it if it ain't broke at the end of the day.
That's facts.
Like if it's working, it's working. Keep long in the damn market until big dogs say otherwise, right? Like, when you look at the stock market, I mean, everything's kind of cooling back down, but initially we were just breaking through all-time highs. I want to let the market develop. That's just my plan. I understand the thesis for just, hey, fuck it, go long, right? And I'm cool with that, right? Yesterday, I was all for that. And I had my biggest day ever. But today, I know it's CPI, and I know for me, the best way for me to trade it is just be patient. Just mellow out and be patient, right? We had an opportunity to go long, had an opportunity to go short, but in my rules, I don't trade CPI. So in my business, we don't even give a fuck. Normally, I'm not even in here. Normally, I just wait and I come back to the market at like 8 o'clock because I just don't want to be a part of it, right? Like I know, there are people that trade it successfully and really nicely. I just don't like the volatility, so I just stay away from it. But as far as like the plan,
it's a gamble. If you're willing to,
I don't think it's a gamble. I just think that I don't like it. I think that people who trade it, a lot of people trade it that understand the structure of it and they're comfortable playing it based off structure. I mean, essentially every time you take a trade, it's a gamble, right? So I don't think it's like a full on, like, it's more of a gamble than any other time. It's just too volatile for me, right? So it could go in sporadic moves. So I just choose to stay away from it. Today was smooth though. Today was really nice. The structure that it developed in today was nice, but it's not like that every time. So.
Exactly. I mean, normally when we consolidate throughout the night on CPI, and we're consolidating in like a bullish fashion, it's normally a lot easier to read. But I think I mean more of a gamble of like, you have to risk way more because it's more volatile if you're actually gonna give yourself true invalidation, just because of how volatile it is. Like, I feel like the more volatile the news event, the more of a gamble it becomes. Because I mean, think about it. People YOLO CPI. The definition of YOLO is a gamble. So I mean, people don't normally YOLO. I mean, I guess sometimes people.
I was like,
it definitely happens.
Are we talking about the same people?
But
like,
it's more of a
YOLO
YOLO
this shit every day.
I guess it's more of a YOLO. It's more of a, more people trade CPI without an edge than they do the regular market.
Yeah, I get what you mean. I want to clarify what I mean when I say it's not a gamble. I mean that from the people who trade it with a strategy, not necessarily a strategy, but they understand. They're essentially like, if I trade based off midnight or I trade based off a sweep of the low, and I'm taking that trade, CPI is just accelerating that particular structure, right? That's why I don't view it as a gamble, right? Like, that's how I look at it, right? Like, if I'm looking to trade CPI, I'm going to trade it the same way I would trade anything else. It's just that CPI is going to accelerate it. The reason why I don't like it is, I think we agree, is the volatility leaves behind a lot of what's the word? Slippage, right? Like, I mean, I took a trade on my paper trade account. I was looking to get in at 916. I had a buy stop up there. Maybe I should have had a different type of order. I don't know. But
no, there's no other order you could have had.
The thing literally ran past my buy stop by 40 points and filled me at 952. 40 points higher. It's stuff like that I don't like. Like I would rather just wait for the market to develop, and I know that there will be opportunity in the market every single day.
I think it's because you gotta get in on CPI to get the best amount of bang for your buck. Unless this thing just goes crazy, you got to get them before the move. But I mean, if it goes crazy, then I mean, it doesn't really matter where you get it.
I like the way Malik traded it. He basically said, okay, maybe he got in on the long side too. I'm not sure, but he waited until that rip candle came. He said, well, now I'm gonna short it back down, because even if it doesn't come all the way back down, it always retraces something, in a really nice manner, right? Like, we've seen it go all the way up, but not before it gives us some type of pullback, right? Like, so I think that's what he was trying to say earlier when he was like, it always retraces. Like, yeah, it does retrace. It just doesn't, it's a different type of retracement every time. This was not a ridiculous candle on CPI. Like, this was basic as hell. I mean, we've been getting this candle. I think we got this candle like last week. We got bigger candles like this on fucking the 4th of July week, So I think that the bulls, we've had open candles that are bigger than this. So like in regards to like FOMO, like it didn't really make me crazy because we didn't go crazy, right? And now we're already back down, at where we started. So I don't know. I think that there's a lot. There's a lot to be said about the skill of trading CPI, right? And I just don't have it. I've tried it. I've tried it. I'm just not good at it. So, and that's your screen time and experience, right? Like, you traded it so many times that but I don't. Yep. Yeah. No, I mean, that's kind of my point, right? Like, my point is yeah, I definitely agree with you, right? Like, I'm yeah. I agree with you in a sense that that's kind of what I was talking about when I said, like, I don't think it's a gamble when you're trading your edge, right? Like, my edge is moving too fast inside of CPI, so I don't trade it. Right?
I don't disagree with that at all.
My edge is just my edge is present, but it's moving too goddamn fast, and I'd be like,
I think that the majority of people don't have an edge in CPI, and they just see a large. They know that a large candle is going to come, and they follow it. That's my point. If you have an edge, you could trade anything you want, regardless of volatility. It doesn't matter what the volatility looks like if you see your edge in there. But if you don't, I think a lot of people don't have an edge for CPI. They just know that, well, the volatility is going to come. I just got to guess, and I got a 50-50 shot at being right. So for people who are for people who saw this consolidation today beforehand and thought we were going lower, they got short and got toasted because, probably blew accounts thinking, oh, well, we're going to go lower because we just consolidated.
I can't wait to see the
bullish consolidation. So
I can't wait to see the TikToks and the memes of people that, did you see those the last time we had CPI? It was like a bunch of freaking memes and TikToks of people like in these trading schools, and they're like, all right, it's CPI, we're going short.
I saw that video. Yeah.
And that shit was just like rip city.
Yeah.
But anyway, Mr. Potts, I'm assuming you had a great day. You got hell of emojis in here. Game over. I don't even know what that is. Gobble gobble. I don't know. Cookie Monster. Stop. YouTube button. Good morning, man. What's going on, James the Bull? With a name like James the Bull, you probably done already. What it do? What's going on, Mr. Potts? Justino and Hobbsy was good. Good morning, Dr. JC. NQ to 21K or I'll cry. Yeah, we're going. I think
You've been calling 21K since yesterday.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, John.
What's up, everybody?
Whoever YOLO this news better go get baptized. Apex making me nervous with a ton of denials. Maybe it's due to new strict rules enforcement.
No,
Yeah, a lot of people just can't stop DCAing. I don't understand it. Just stop fucking hitting the button. I don't get it. Like, it's not hard to stop DCAing. Like to me, that is a problem if you can't stop something that's fucking with your money. Like, that's so weird to me, right? Like, I again, different stroke for different folks. I'm not here to diss or bag on anybody, but I think it's weird that if you know DCAing stops you from getting paid, but you still keep DCAing, that's fucking weird to me. Like, if you know the rules of the game that can lead to you getting paid out, stop fucking DCAing. Like, that's it. Like, don't. If you gotta second guess it, just don't buy another one. Close the trade and go to the next trade. I don't know how you could be that addicted to the point where the goal is to get paid, but you keep doing it. Like, I don't know. It's strange.
Yeah, it's a dopamine hit.
Yeah. Good morning, One Stop Trader. He says, why my bank account don't look like the market, only up? Give it time, bro. Give it time. What's going on, Eric? Some jackass. Yo, what's up? His name is Some Jackass.
Yeah, he's new.
Yo,
he came here yesterday. He got the best name on YouTube.
Good morning, man. Good morning.
I refuse to let him do this to you, Yin Yang Twin. I refuse to let him do this to you, Yin Yang Twin. We were not whispering today. I was ready. I was already on the mute button as soon as he started. As soon as I ain't hear nothing, it was a wrap. We're not doing this today.
You know, I had to get my voice ready. I had to get close to the mic.
I told you, we're not doing this today, Yin Yang. We're not on this.
Yeah, Eric, GC has left the fucking building, bro. Like, GC has said, bye-bye, see you later. I guess I'll see you next lifetime. We talked about this in, I was in Yvonne's Discord yesterday, and I was like, man, I think EC's about to go for a trip. I think we're about to go to 2,400, and yeah, we definitely did that.
He changed the F and FOMO to a G for gold. He's got gold.
Yo, G for GOMO. Gold
I don't know if
missing
he did that
out.
on purpose, but
I like that. There's gold in them there heels. This sounds like double downing on a bad trade. Yeah, well, there's ways to DCA so that it's not a bad thing. Like, there's building a position, and then there's DCA. Building a position is when you strategically add to your position to a winning position at level, or it may not even be a winning position, but you understand how the trade is going to be delivered. So let's say it's an inverse head and shoulders and you're looking to buy the market. On that first shoulder on the left, you buy a contract, right? We dip down and we sweep that low. You buy 2 more contracts. And then we push up, and then we sweep down and hit that other shoulder. You put in your full position and you buy 7 or 8 contracts because you're anticipating the market, putting in that inverse head and shoulders and leaving the build, right? If that's the case, somebody's hype micing.
probably.
If that's the case, then I don't understand. Like, I don't understand why that's illegal, but I don't understand why any DCAing is illegal. But there are, just to clarify, there are forms of DCAing that can be seen as a good thing, right? Like, it's not all bad, right? So,
well, like if you're adding to winners, they don't hit you on that. You can, if you're up and you're trying to add to your position because you're winning, they're perfectly fine with that. It's when you're adding to your losers that they don't like. Like Hobbs was saying, I think you can add one time to your trade on there, but even that's risky because I feel like even then you add once and they can be like, well, you DCA, and you're like, well, in your rules you say I can DCA one time, and they're like, nah. So I just wouldn't DCA it off. I was trading.
I just wouldn't do it. Like, that's my thing, is like, if or that right? Like
that too.
Yeah. When you're the objective of a prop firm is to make themselves money, but at the same time, you ain't gotta do it dirty, right? Like, to me, Apex, I fuck with them from affiliate standpoint. Like, hey, use the discount code, but I'm gonna speak my mind. I don't give a fuck. If you gotta try so hard to make people not get paid, then it just gives me weird. It gives me really bad vibes. I'll speak from the trader aspect of it, which is, if you're a trader and you know you can't DCA to get paid, then stop DCAing. You know the rules of the game, right? Stop DCAing. But I'm also going to discuss the other part of it, which is, I don't think that should be a rule, period. I think it's stupid. I think that if you're truly looking for traders, i.e. Top Step and multiple other prop firms out there, right? My Funded Futures, Trade Day, like, these people are obviously betting that you're going to lose because that's the game that they're in, right? But they're also looking for traders that they can make money and build with, right? Those things can coexist, right? And I feel like with Apex, when you say shit like intraday trailing drawdown and, intraday trailing drawdown, what's the other one? Oh, and no DCAing, I think that that's just an extra added layer that you don't really need in trading, right? Like, you just don't need that. So
yeah, my problem with Apex, my only problem, well, it's not my only problem, but my big problem with stems to this is I understand why they did it after talking to Pip a little bit more. I still don't agree, but yeah. Basically what they claim was happening, right? This is what they said, was that people were basically using bots to DCA like crazy, and basically they'd be able to, save their accounts from being like massively red because they DCA'd, and they were able, as the market shot back up, they're able to get out of their position or, get a small win or whatever. And so I guess apparently people were making like a lot doing this, right? So if you have a problem with that and you know that it's bots and it's not like, it's not a lot of manual people making those decisions to trade like that, then just make bots illegal and don't stop people from DCAing. That's all you have to do. That's the fix. Because if you look at Take Profit in the rule says no trading bots, no algorithms, right? So why would you not just fix it that way instead of being like, well, we don't want people to DCA at all? Because at that point, it's like, well, is it the bots doing this, or are people being smart enough to DCA on you and getting over? And if that's the case, then, I think where Hobbs is 100% right with this is, it's in the market, any market. There's no rule where you can't DCA. Like, that's a part of trading.
It's not a thing.
Yeah,
that's the weird part.
I get the intraday trailing drawdown rule. Like, I get it. I don't like it. I think it's bullshit, to be honest. But okay, like, every prop firm has a drawdown. I think it should be end of day. I think they make it way too hard. But it is what it is. I guess my thing, and the other thing that kind of threw me off is they were like, well, traders should be making $200 to $300 a day. That should be it. If you're making more than $200 to $300 a day, you're a scammer. It's like, huh? What? Like, you ever heard of minis in like 5 of them, 2 of them, 1 of them? Like, what do you mean that somebody can't consistently make more than $200 to $300 a day? Like, and I think,
yeah, they do say that, like, you can't do that. It's like,
yeah.
Like, have you seen me trade?
I think that's the problem, is that, like, the Apex's business model is built around scalping.
Losing.
Well, that too, but it's also built for scalpers. Like, if you're a scalper, you like to get in and you get out, you get your 10, 20 points and you're done. I think Apex is perfect for you, right? And you don't DCA, Apex is fine. You'll make your money, right? But like, I want to say most traders, but there's a lot of traders out there that would rather hold their trades a lot longer. And Apex is just not conducive to holding your trades. That's not what they're there for. So that's the reason why I stopped trading on Apex. It's the reason why I trade on Top Step, because it's an end of day trailing drawdown where I can actually hold. Damn, this market is looking a little selly right now. I'm not gonna lie.
I'm looking at this tape. I'm like,
Yeah, they just started to kind of increase the selling right there. Ooh, yep.
Ooh.
Yeah, it might be a wrap for these bulls today. I ain't gonna lie. If we break this low here, they're really trying to sell. But yeah, that's the only thing. Like, I think Apex, I think if you're just learning how to trade, right, and you want to put a little bit of risk on the table and kind of like feel those feelings as you don't get paper trading. Yeah, true. But if you want to get that risk in and you want to like, you know, feel those feelings, then I think Apex is a good start, just so that you can kind of like get your toes wet for cheap. But if I'm being honest, like if I'm really trying to trade somewhere, it's gonna be Top Stepper or My Funded Futures. Those would be the two that I would choose definitely to actually pick a home with, because of that end of day. The end of day trailing drawdown makes a big difference. I'm not stressed out when I take trades, and it goes against me, right? So
yeah, or when I want to hold the trade.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like it's not a big deal.
Especially in large size too.
Trade, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Because in large size, those swings that you can get, like you can be up 1,000 and then only up 500, then up 2K and only up 1,000. It's like that intraday trailing drawdown starts to wear on your mind. Like, man, how much am I really even back here? Like, yeah, I think Apex builds bad habits for traders, in my opinion. But you know, for some people, it works. That's okay.
Yeah.
But shout out to Apex.
Yeah, but use the discount link. Last time I started talking shit about Apex, they cut my affiliates down. They're like, yeah, shut up. You don't get nothing. I was like, all right, whatever.
I mean, I don't think they're a bad company by any means. I think they fit a certain niche of people. And, you know, if you fit within that niche, you should use Apex. I mean, a lot of people are successful on Apex. I mean, Pip is very successful on Apex. I just cannot be, you know, it's just, I don't work.
Pip loves Apex. And I'm cool with that. It's just, you know, everybody has their own opinion, right? On a proper.
I just want to hear one trader that has actually gone live through Apex. That's what I want to hear. All right.
I don't think that exists. I think that's I don't think there's a trader that's been live on Apex yet.
And yeah, Kyle, when I first saw their website, I thought they built that website in like the 90s.
That first one, before they fixed it, I was like, yo, this is some jagged ass shit right here.
Yeah, their website was whew, it was rough. And they were founded in like 2021 or something like that. So it's not like they're that old. Like they're actually pretty new comparatively. Like Top Step has been around for like 20 years. That's another reason why I like Top Step. They've been around for a long time, so you know they got the money.
Huge divergence on the YM tape. Just saying. Just saying.
Oh, nice. I'm glad like My Funded Futures. Let us know how that goes, because eventually I'm gonna get a My Funded Futures account now. At some point. Yes, that is true. The trailing drawdown on Apex does go away after why does ES and NQ look completely different right now? ES is holding and NQ is dumping.
YM is dumping right now.
But yeah, it does go away, JH, after 2600. That is true. I don't even think it's 26. I don't even think it's 2600. Isn't it like 2K? After you make 2K, it doesn't trail you anymore?
What, on Apex?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Like it doesn't trail you intraday after a certain level.
But you still got to get there, though.
Yes. I'm going to try some loans.
Looks like they want lower prices before rate cuts start after today's CPI. Maybe. Today's uppity. Good morning, Void. Good morning, Doc. And yes, I definitely did mute Hobbs. That definitely happened.
Yeah, but you server muted Malik.
I did server mute Malik. I damn sure did. I told him I server muted him too, so... He initially said, "Don't server mute me, I'm here." And then he made the noise and like,
yeah, he do the same thing every day, and then he get mad at us for actually doing something about it. It's like, bro, nobody want to hear you fucking put us in your pocket, driving and stuff. Like, it's hard enough to be trying to trade and do everything else. Now we got to listen to you. YM is looking eerily similar to yesterday's open.
Yeah, I mean, my famous words. There's a lot of selling down here, y'all. There's a lot of selling. But
YM is looking eerily similar to yesterday's.
I want to see if we actually get rewarded. But I'm looking at this tape. I'm looking at the level 2, and I'm seeing a lot of large sellers hitting the bid right now. So let's see what they do. Let's see if we get that continuation or what. Man, ES and NQ look completely different. They're in completely different spots right now.
Yeah, one's trying to go down to come up, and the other one is just trying to go up. I'm watching the Dow down here though. I really think that we can go up. I'm just waiting to see if we can get some type of signal here once we change character on one of these smaller time frames. Yeah, let's see. Oh boy, that was big selling. Big selling.
Oh man, we got 11.
No, these sellers are they going. They might be trying to go for it. Huh?
Yeah, but the buyers on NQ are coming back now. Let me check on these stocks real fast. Let's see. Oh, Nvidia's giving it up. Yeah. The overall stock market's looking a little weak right now. I'm not gonna lie.
It is.
VIX is getting a little bit of a push up too. Failing to hold below its low from yesterday. That was another telltale sign that the market was going to rally yesterday because the VIX was pumping heavy yesterday.
Let's see if we break this CPI low, or do we hold this joint? So we're looking like we want to hold it.
Yeah, definitely a lot of tests down here. I agree. They're trying their best. They're putting up a defense. We'll see if they can manage though. I definitely do not want to short the market down here. That's for sure.
Hell no.
All right, I'm short right here. 88.5. I'm playing.
Gas P. Gas P.
I'm stopped out. 10 points. Stop. That would be a horrible short. Horrible. Yeah, it looks like we're building some value down here, though. Bears definitely aren't trying to give this up.
Watching YM closely down here at these lows. Just want to see a break of some type of structure, but the selling is just so aggressive.
Yep. Yeah, we just ran those stops on NQ right there. A lot of selling, not really moving down anymore.
It's getting rewarded on YM. That's for damn sure. Every time they sell, they going lower and lower and lower.
Yeah, see, it's not getting rewarded on NQ.
Mm-hmm.
We're kind of just staying in this area. We're building a lot of value
going one direction. Just come back up, baby. Come back up. Yeah, nice.
If they can break this, we're gonna go lower.
Mm-hmm.
Man, the amount of selling on the tape right now on NQ is ridiculous.
Yeah, YM is bleeding right now. Bleeding. This thing is bleeding right now. Yeah, facts. Whatever direction it picks is like night night. See you. Meanwhile, the NASDAQ and ES are just sitting there chilling.
Yeah, we have not moved. So buyers tried to step in there, but they got shut down pretty quickly. Here comes some more selling coming in.
far they want to push this shit down? That's the question. All right, here comes NQ straight up. YM straight down.
Yeah, but every time we try to push, we get rejected. There's a second time that these buyers are trying to push it, we get rejected. But then these sellers come right back. I think where I'm at it right now, like I want to get long down here, just based on how long we're staying and how much selling I'm seeing. But every time we push out, the sellers come right back. So
No, I'm not taking longs yet. I'm gonna let it
Whoa.
continue to sell down. I think we
That's
want to
why
come
I'm
down
patient.
much lower.
I'm continuing to see this failure by these
The
bulls.
selling is getting aggressive and the bulls aren't breaking highs. Right? I'll get long once the bulls start breaking highs, but as long as we're staying below the lows, I mean, as long as we're staying in the consolidation and we're not bringing new highs, that is bearish still to me. Same thing on YM. Like if YM continues to hold below these lows and don't bring a new high, I think it's time. Oh, here they come.
Here come the bears.
That's
There's
so
the break-
weird. The
there's
minute
breakdown.
the minute YM looked like it was trying to get bullish, NQ just flushed.
Yeah,
Don't short this shit. I mean, don't long this shit yet.
No,
bro.
no. Well, and that's what I was saying. Like, I'm seeing a lot of selling, and then every time we buy up, we reject. Buy up, reject. So there's no way I was gonna buy the market right there.
Kid was on the way home.
Large sellers just came into the market right there. Popping right back up. Right back up. Oh shit. That fast track.
Yeah, I think YM wants back up. I'm just waiting to see if we can take out structure here. Good.
That's really interesting. That fast track futures prop firm, the one that Valdez put me on, they just announced that they're having debit cards and credit cards now. Which I know some other prop firms were talking about starting with like prepaid debit cards for payouts, because some people, you know, they can't get payouts in their country through.
Oh, I was like, why do
guess.
they need debit and credit card?
Because international people don't have Ys or something, so that's the only way they can get them their payouts is by sending prepaid debit cards. But they're the first prop firm I've seen to actually get it done. What's up? Oh yeah, I know. Take Profit, they pay out in crypto. They're the only ones that I know that pay out in crypto.
Yeah, they pay out BTC, right?
I think ETH too.
Still looking selly here. Still looking selly. And the VIX is warming up to the idea too. We're 1410 on that thing.
Oh no, can't. Long around 2851. Okay. Yo, Jay, great job on the latest video series. It's just a matter of time until they blow up. I hope so. Thanks, Boyd. I appreciate it.
Yeah, it was really good, man. Really good
GC
video.
retrace. Yeah. You know, I'm hoping to try to funnel new people into the live. So hopefully it blows up so we can have even more traders in here, but I appreciate it, Hobbs. Yeah, hopefully, you know, it'll be even more fun in here than it already is. So we got about 32 people watching or 31 people watching on YouTube. So make sure y'all hit that damn like button, or I'm coming through the screen and I'm gonna knock your ass out. I'm playing.
Here comes the old YM gangsters. Jeez. There's no
Thanks, John. Thanks, John. Big ups, Jay, on the new video series. Thank you.
Yeah, everybody really likes when, you know, you share your journey and stuff like that. I think that's super cool that you're doing that.
Yeah, even though, you know, like, we've lost 2 subs in the process, but it's all good. Fuck them 2 subs.
Why are you even watching that?
Because I have a problem. No, leave me alone. I have a problem when it comes to numbers, okay?
Okay.
Yep. We got it back.
Process. Like,
damn
I
right.
wouldn't even know that.
Right. Fuck them 2 subs. Kiss my ass.
InQ's pushing.
Oh, JH, you get in? That was taken away from where you was looking to get long, which is nice. NQ. What's up, Eddie? Oh, nice. Oh, okay, all good. The crazy thing is if you're an ICT trader, there's a massive SMT divergence between ES and NQ right now. ES is making a higher low. I mean, I'm just saying. It's kind of nuts when you see it. It's just kind of nuts.
Last I checked, you still looking at this order flow, right?
No, I
definitely am looking
at the order flow. I definitely care about the order flow.
What you doing with the tape, bro?
I'm just saying. It's just, you know, just something I noticed. That's all.
Last I checked, I'm pretty sure we all adapted everybody's strategies and thought process. It ain't just about ICT. It's all about sharing what you like, what you love.
What you like, what you love. But we are retesting the 50% to go short. So I'm just throwing it out there. This was resistance. So, you know, just saying.
Yeah, I'm still a little confused on what I want to do here on YM. I'm not sure if I want to get on the short team, the short bush shouties, or I want to try to long this thing because it's looking real bullish down here. It's not look like it wants to go down. But then it hits a certain level and it's just like, yeah, no, we're going down.
Show, but shoddy.
There we go. Let's see.
It's another failure. Large seller just came in right there as well.
I was like, who the hell is this coming in my damn crowd? But take some longs on YM right here.
Oh. Spoofity spoof.
I'm long 40-13 on YM. Hey, what's up, son? You have a good time? Welcome back.
Down goes NQ. Down goes NQ. Another big buyer comes in on NQ.
Just like yesterday, just a lot of back and forth. Ultimately, they just want to go up, in my opinion.
Yeah, it's crazy because ES is holding much stronger than NQ is. ES is still up at its high of this, but NQ is already down to the low.
I'll be back. I'm gonna walk away.
Oh, YM is popping. Yeah, I'm just not liking where ES is compared to NQ. ES is much higher and kind of holding. And then YM is also pumping right now. But the VIX is trying to buy up, so that's at least positive. Everything else is kind of falling. Apple's just getting obliterated right now. Yeah, I would have liked to see ES and NQ both selling off pretty aggressively at the same time, and we're definitely not getting that. But here we go. Yeah, it looks like now we're coming down. Got y'all comments. Oh, you missed it. It's all right. So we came right back down to the level again. It's giving you a second bite at the apple.
YM is smoothing right now. Come on. Let's go, YM. Come on. Talk dirty to me. Talk dirty to me, YM.
Thank you.
Talk dirty to me. I don't know. I was thinking the same thing. I'm like, bro, how is this working right now? That we both winning right now. I was like, this makes no sense, but I'm gonna take it. I know what I saw. I know what you saw.
Damn, NQ.
I know what I saw. I know what you saw. Thanks, brother.
Meanwhile,
hey, you just gotta trust your system, bro. Like, I don't give a fuck what they see over there. I don't give a fuck what they see. I know what I see. I know what the fuck I see. I'm going along. I'm going fucking long. Everybody going short. I'm like,
right now. That's crazy.
Come on, get up there, girl.
Yeah, NQ is dumping.
Come on, almost there. Almost to the home run. Come on. Come on. You can go all the way up here to do nothing. Come on. 214. 214. Top of the supply zone. Yeah, 214. It's the top of the supply zone for me. Yeah. Go on. Give me that. Come on. You're almost there. I gotta walk away, guys. I'll be back.
I took it there. Good morning. Good morning, Bray. 1 mini, try and small size. Yeah, we're looking pretty bearish right now. Definitely would not be like I think short or longs are kind of off the table right now. Nice. PPI tomorrow? Yeah, we do have PPI tomorrow. Yep, PPI. Dang, it's crazy that YM sent the way it did, but it's completely opposite of NQ right now. I don't know. It's really weird because like I'm looking at ES2 and like ES is not falling at all. Like it has not broken any structure to the downside yet, but NQ is straight flushing. Nice. Yeah, it's just really weird.
Okay, here we go. That's where the fun starts.
You can definitely long these pop though. It's another quick bounce on NQ. I think we're still coming down lower.
Yeah, YM looks like it might want to pop back down lower too.
Good Lord. Yeah.
Massive flush on freaking YM. Just hold this shit. Come on. Pops in profit, but I'm still holding. I'm locking in. I'm not gonna let the trade go red on me, but NQ looks like it's ready to push back up.
NQ tap into a fair value gap on the hourly. Okay. Just the way we're pushing back up just makes me think that this is just a retracement to go lower, just based off of the structure. But we'll see. See how low do we? Because we're But we did just get above the pre-market lows after failing there initially. So we'll see what happens.
Are you in long yet?
No.
Jesus, what? And NQ's about to send you. You see that big ass buyer down there?
Yeah, I see the limit orders down there.
I just saw that big ass buyer. It's 205 orders sitting down there.
Mm-hmm.
Big facts. pretty deadly retracement on the Dow. Let's see if they want to hold it. My stops are moved in profit. Does not feel comfortable sitting inside of this 5-minute candle, though. I'll tell you that much.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, sellers. They just denied the buyers right there. I'm talking about denial.
Just said, okay, all right,
Yeah,
all right.
I'm gonna go ahead and get short off that denial. I'm gonna try a short here.
Stop loss.
My stop's above 7.6, above the 50% retracement there.
I don't know about them shorts yet, bro. We're at the low of the day so far. Good recovery on YM. Buyers are stepping back in at the lows, which is what I wanted to see. I brought my stops in profit, but I'm not giving up this position because I have faith that that the market can push up higher. So I'm just gonna ride off that and just try to protect myself as much as possible. Good short, Justin.
Thank you.
I don't know how long it's gonna last, but
I don't know how long it's gonna last either.
I don't know how long it's gonna last, but okay. All right, YM's pushing back up here.
Actually, that might be a good thing. YM, keep pushing up so NQ can push down. That's been the mold, so.
Somebody lying. I don't know who it is yet. ES ain't moving at all. This motherfucker is at a standstill.
That's my only problem with this short right now. ES need to fucking move to the downside.
Come on, YM. Keep going.
Yeah, we're starting to push up.
Again, stops moved in profit, guys. I'm just looking to hold to my profit target.
I went ahead and cut that trade a little early. I don't like how ES is pushing up right here, so I'll just wait and look to re-enter. But I did not like what I saw right there. I still might look to re-enter.
Get out the way, my guy.
Yeah, I had to get out of that one. As soon as I saw those buyers start to push up, lack of selling down there, and then I'm out. Let's see what we do here, though.
I don't want to short this, bro. This is your classic short the low move, bro. You said you didn't want to do that no more. We're at the low of the day.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, we're retracing into my area to look for shorts, though. And I was watching ES for weakness as well because ES has been much stronger.
But why are you looking for shorts? Look at the bigger picture, though. Don't look at the 1 minute. Remember, we talked about this last night. Don't look at the 1 minute. Zoom out. Look at the 15 minute. Look at the 30 minute. Look at the 4 hour. Look at the 1 hour. There's no reason to look for shorts just yet. I see what you see on the 1 minute. You gotta zoom out. I'm gonna take 2 contracts off right here on YM. Yeah, in the event that we come back down. And then I'll just stretch out my take profit to fit what I'm looking for. But I think it's better to protect myself on the next leg up than to sit here and try to hold through another pullback just to be a boss.
No, I'm liking shorts again here.
Whenever the market gives you 2 chances to get out, you never look a gift horse in the mouth. Whenever I get a second chance, give me 2 contracts. I'll take 2. All right, out of 2 contracts right there. Yeah, meanwhile on ES. Yeah, fact. All right, my take profit has been moved up because I think if we do pump, we'll have another 200-300 point day. And I'm just gonna freaking trail after that. So I'm pretty much taking the governor off on this runner. I'm gonna try to squeeze as much as possible out of this runner. All things are considered, we're up $933 on the day. Can't complain about that at all. ES is starting to rally. Usually the Dow will follow ES. And if that's the case, we've already secured profit and we can hold this runner all freaking day for another 300-400 points. I don't give a shit how long this thing goes. As long as we hit our max profit on the day, I'm good. Well, we're gonna hold. That's one and done. I will not be taking any more trades today due to the fact that my son has a dental appointment. So I'm not gonna take any more trades. That's all I really wanted. I'm gonna try to start showing my executions a little more. I'm trying to like hold myself accountable with my trades and just try to only take the trades that I see that are worthy of an entry. So that one was pretty fucking textbook. I hesitated a little because there was a lot of selling. I mean, it was a lot, right? But I saw that CBD divergence again on YM, and it was pretty strong. So you took shorts again, Jay?
Oh yeah, I'm back in these shorts. I saw a trap buyer up there. Or a lot of buying that didn't get rewarded that could become a trap buyer. Got to get below 30 though. But I'm just watching this closely because.
What do you think of that liquidity at 830? The 210 orders.
It does. Until it gets filled, it doesn't matter that it's down there for me. But I think I'm like, again, these bulls.
Resting liquidity of 200 plus doesn't matter.
No, not until it gets filled. It's just sitting there. I mean, they could pull it. So. I mean, it doesn't until those orders get filled. I mean, they're just sitting there. Maybe I should have held on to that, but whatever.
You cut it?
Yeah, it's just irky jerky up here.
It's because they don't try. I don't think they're trying to sell down. I think that they're gonna go fill that liquidity. Then when they do, this thing's gonna fucking gig us in, but we'll see. They may not even need to because it doesn't look like they even want to come down to that liquidity. Yeah, is this the same liquidity that we pointed out this morning? Or we're not down that low yet?
No.
Yeah, yes. That was like 800, right? Something like that. Dow is kind of just working its way through this demand zone. Hopefully we can hold, our stock can hold through this and we can get rewarded. But all right, we're gonna fill that liquidity at 830 on the NASDAQ. So let's see what happens. I would love to see what happens on the NASDAQ when that liquidity gets filled. I'm not going to trade it, but I think that would be a good setup for longs. See how much thicker this liquidity is getting? It was at 209, then it just bounced to 220. So either they're loading that up to dump it, or they're loading that up because somebody's trying to filled a huge position. There's YM pushing out of this area. This is what I want to see. Notice how I did not take contracts off on the sell candles. As aggressive as the sell candle was, I really wanted to cut it, but I had to fight the urge not to because it would have broke my rules. When we came back up, it was well within my rules to sell contracts on the buy side of the market because I'm selling to buyers, right? So just take note of like how I'm managing this YM trade, right? So 830 is getting filled. They're reloading that liquidity. Let's see if they fill up all that liquidity. All right.
They just filled it.
181 sell orders just hit. So let's see if this buyer wants to defend his position. This is what you want to see if you're a buyer. If they put liquidity back at 830, then you know that the market's trying to push up from here. So that liquidity just got filled and we're immediately 10 points higher, which means that those buyers are being rewarded, but they're not really, it doesn't mean anything until they can get above the previous high. right? So that liquidity is getting filled, but if these sellers mean business, they won't allow price to get back above 45. And notice how the tape is clearing above, right? But they're bringing the liquidity down. Like they're trying to squeeze out these buyers. And gold is rallying aggressively right now. Yep. We'll see. Now they're slamming it down, pushing it down even further.
I should have held. It's okay.
Did you just sing it?
Yeah. I should have.
And now they're placing that liquidity at 45, right? At 45, right at the level that would signify a break of the previous high. And that's why I said once those orders got filled, you want to see the result. But if the result isn't a break of the high, then we're probably going to go lower. I'm still more inclined to believe that was just a poison pill and we're going to go back up, but we'll see what happens. The ES is not giving any signs of fucking strength. This shit is so weak.
Yeah, we've been making higher highs.
Trading fucking ES.
Well, yeah, we've been making higher highs and higher lows, but it looks like we might come down. I think the NQ train might be gone, but I think ES might have a little bit more room to fall.
Bro, look at, oh my God, look at. Yeah, you might be right, Jay. They might be just filling this liquidity to go lower because now they placed 323 orders at that level. You might be onto something. What the fuck is going on? Either they try to dump this shit or somebody's about to gigasend this market.
Yeah, I mean, it might just be a large player who's getting out of his, who's moving his stop up to get out of his long positions.
That could be true too. I don't know. Just usually whenever I see this, it usually means that we're going higher, but I've never seen it like, well, I want to say never, but it's interesting to review today because now I'm seeing that the liquidity is being filled, but they're also moving the sell side liquidity down.
Yeah.
Which is interesting.
I mean, we could probably expect this to bounce here.
Oh my God.
For another little retracement.
YM is about to hit my profit target.
Compared to ES. Jesus Christ.
I should have held them. I should have held them all.
You're still in part of your position though, right?
I know. I should have held them all, but that's all right.
I should have held my position. Nah. I did get short. I did get short.
Why would you short the low, bro? What the fuck?
I mean, was it really shorting the low though? I mean, I was shorting the retracement of the trend.
Justin said, was it really shorting the low though? Hey, Justin, my bad, bro. Good call. Nah, you should have held that shit though.
I should have held it.
You were in that motherfucker.
I was. I got scared though.
I was 100% incorrect the way that I was reading that shit.
Yeah, I just try not to put too much on those limit orders.
The rest of the orders,
yeah.
I normally do because in this market has just been so like, this is where we're getting long.
Yeah,
you know.
Yeah, you just never know with them what they're gonna end up doing with them and what their intentions truly are.
Meanwhile, on YM, Hobbs is fucking printing.
Meanwhile, yeah,
never coming back.
NQ is over here dumping, and NQ is dumping. YM is sending. It's pretty crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm locking in 100 ticks on YM. That's 100 points. I'm going for 400 points today. Yesterday I got 252. Let's see how we can. Let's see. Yo, yesterday this thing rallied 400 points, bro. I told Tristan, I said tomorrow I'm going for a record.
Yeah.
No, you took the short. What an asshole.
Yeah, he got out the long and got into the short.
Y'all buy that?
I'm not sure I'm long that move though.
I'm long. Hold on a second, guys. I'm talking to Yvonne. I'm long YM at 40,013. I had 3 cons. I cut 2 at 107, And now I got a runner that's up 175 points right now. So it's printing.
Yeah, these bears are back.
The crazy part is that the whole Discord was watching NQ trying to short it, and I was watching YM like, fuck what y'all talking about. I'm going long. I'm not trying to hear none of this shit. My target was 211. I cut 2 at 107, and now I got a runner that's about to hit my ultimate profit target. But I think I'm gonna hold past my profit target because we're looking eerily similar to yesterday. If that's the case, I want to hold this a little longer. I'm more so proud of the fact that I only took yesterday. I wanted to clean up the fact that I was taking too many trades to get the entry. And today I cleaned that up and I only took 1 entry. So that's why I'm gonna take this trade and review it. And that's it. Thank you, brother. Let's get it. All right, we may experience some turbulence here. I'm gonna lock in 150 points now because why the fuck not? We're so close to our profit target. If we can't get the profit target, it's cool. But we're not gonna let YM bring its ass back down and kill us. But this is the final move of my stop right here before we just start doing some crazy shit. But that's another 750. I'm done for the day, guys.
This trade is gone.
Sorry, man. Document it, and what you do is you put in your notes. Never listen to Hobbs again. That's what I did one time with you. I was like, I'm never listening to Justin again. All right, all out at 164. Done for the day, ladies and gentlemen. That is a clean and beautiful day of trading. That I will take all day, every day, and twice on Sunday. Thank you so much for joining the Trader Shop. Get your ass out of here, YM. Give me that. Let's go.
Yeah, we are selling off. I gotta watch it sell off. It sucks, but I'm probably not gonna take any trades.
I got one question for you. If you listen, I just want to ask you this one question. Does CPI candle ever reverse? Ever? I just want to know the answer to that question. As I'm watching this motherfucker reverse right in my face. I'm watching this motherfucker reverse right in my face. Shit. But you know what though? When we pumped, I said it. I was like, this was a weak ass candle. On a Thursday. Very interesting, right? And we just broke trend right there. That's it. That's night. That is night. Yeah, that was the knockout punch. Thank God we got a knockout. We needed a fucking knockout punch.
Yeah, now the market can build some structure to the downside finally.
Yeah. And that's honestly, I feel like all the market was waiting on was a good CPI print. Yeah, that was a knockout punch right points by now. That was a knockout blow. Let's go, Valdez. Shit. I knew you was gonna fuck around with it. I knew it. I told you was gonna go back over there. Bro, this is what we've been missing right here. This is what we needed right here. This is what this market needed, bro. We needed this. Oh my God. What a fucking flush, bro. Let's go.
I'm not gonna lie, this one hurts. This one hurts.
Hey man, you gotta feel it. Gotta feel it. It's all good. Ooh, I'm glad I cut YM. Cut at the top, baby. Let's go. Let's go.
This thing dumping.
Pip, as much as we love the commentary from the fucking shop. Yeah, let me be Pip. Let me say.
God damn! For my entry, the market's down 182 points.
Yeah, that shit went down fast.
Oh my god! Straight drop.
You know, I guess those buy orders were just people getting out of their position, like you were saying.
Yeah,
man. You gotta trust. You gotta trust you. Fuck Hobbs. I was wrong, 100% incorrect, but you gotta trust you at the end of the day.
Yeah, I mean, it wasn't you. We were just whipsawing up and down up there. I was a little, I don't know. I should have just accepted the risk. I should have accepted the risk.
Yeah. Meanwhile, YM, I should have just got short the other way. God damn, this shit up.
Jesus, look at the VIX go.
Yeah, welcome back, brother. Welcome back, brother VIX. welcome back to the land of the living, motherfucker. Shit, you've been dead for God knows how long.
Oh my God! Look at ES.
Still,
ES is a straight dive down. Oh,
we needed to, bro. We needed this day. That was next. Oh my God, they are straight flushing this. Let me take this limit order off for my paper trade.
Oh my God, ES is almost down 30 points from that drop. So
not
like financial advice or anything, but like if you're looking along the market, don't. I would just say
order filled. Let's go. He said order filled. Fuck him.
Well, somebody had a great day on their the PA account or their Express funding. Let's go, Valdez. Let's go. Good job too, Hobbs. I'm gonna go ahead and sit in the corner and
yeah, you gotta face that fear, bro. You gotta face that fear.
Get upset with myself.
That fear is gonna make you miss out on a lot, bro. That's what we were talking about last night from a psychology standpoint. Like, you gotta face it, bro. Because if you don't face it, it's gonna be the death of your trading career before it even starts. Oh, here comes YM straight down. If I wasn't done trading, oh my gosh. Look at this shit. Let's go, man. If I wasn't a man of my word. Oh, it's about to dump 400 the other way.
Oh my God. Look at ES go.
Yo, Justin. Let me see. Let's see. Welcome back. Oh my God. Stop it. Stop it. Welcome back. Yo, Top's gonna be like, we thought we had him. We had him in the dirt. We had him and we let him off the hook. Bro, that's insane. That is insane. Congratulations, man. Congratulations. You turned that account from mush to something, bro. Nah, bro. You came with it, brother. I don't think YM's done though. I think YM is I think YM's going for it. I don't think YM is done.
Oh yeah, I wouldn't pull out 500 if I were you.
Nah, keep trading, bro. Man, that's awesome, bro.
God, kid.
What's that? Oh, you talking about that video when it was like the market is basically already crashing, or no? Yeah. Oh yeah. Always. I said, oh, let me put some work in there. Yeah, man. That's what it's about, bro. That's what it's about. Being ready for the day.
Made my profit target for the day. Good luck to everyone. I like this channel though. Think I might hang out to the end. Thanks, some jackass. Appreciate it.
We're gonna leave early today. Justin's got stuff
Yeah,
to do.
I think I am ready to walk away. Honestly,
Ready to walk away?
Yeah, I'm a little upset with myself, honestly, and I know that I don't want to make any bad decisions. I got an appointment I got to go to, and I'm gonna use today as another learning experience. I ain't lose nothing. I'm actually up on the day, y'all. I'm up a whole $26.
Shit.
So hey, at least I'm green.
You could have went ham and be like, "Fuck it, now I'm along this shit."
Yeah, no, I'm not. I'm not. I know my lesson, and at this point, so funny enough, boy, this is for you. This is where I played offense too conservatively, and now I'm playing defense by not letting my capital go to waste in this because it's only going to end bad. All I can do is long the market. I know that's the wrong thing to do right now. So yeah, I'm gonna shut her down, at least for me. I'm gonna shut down my charts and go do something else and try to get better tomorrow. But yeah, I'm really proud though. You fucking destroyed the market again. Let's go. Valdez destroyed the market again. The Discord's eaten, so I couldn't be happier for everybody else, but I'm definitely upset with myself. But it is what it is.
Yeah.
You know. Oh
yeah. I learned my lesson from the last time, bro. I was like, next time we come up, I'm gonna skill out. Yeah. next time we come up, I said, but I wanted to work on scaling out the right way. Like a lot of times I'll scale out because I'm scared of that candle, but I knew that, and I said that's why I got up and left. I was like, I gotta walk away. I gotta walk away right now because if I don't, I'm gonna scale out on a sell candle, right? Which is the opposite of what I want to do, right? Like I want to scale out on a buy candle, right? So I was like, all right, let me just bounce now, and that way, like, I can leave and come back and just reevaluate it with like a more clear head, right? So, yeah. That's really good. I should have done that. I'm upset with myself actually twice, to be honest. I think behind the scenes, it was worse than what I'm showing. I'll show you guys just to be transparent. I'm not down by any means. I'm 100% up like $26. But why I'm really upset with myself is because my initial short idea was I saw all these wicks here. I drew the 50% retracement, and I was like, oh, this is getting juicy. The 50% of this like little uptrend that we had on the 5 minute. If I go to a 5 minute, it looks more pretty. I'm not going to go to it though, but it lined up with these wicks right here. But then it also lined up with the with kind of like these highs over here as well. Like just this like kind of general area of resistance. And I was like, ooh, this is getting good. I was like, oh, I'm gonna short it when we get up here. Man, this thing came up here, rejected, and it sold down. I saw a large seller, and I was like, okay, this is what I want to see. I was like, I was like, it's a little bit too far low for me. I just want to see it come back up like one more time up into this area and kind of retest it and then fail. And where I guess I'm upset with myself there is, had I just gotten in short, even at the break of this candle, my risk was only fucking 12 points, 17 points. Like it's nothing. Man. I should have taken it, and because I would have held it, I would have held through this pullback, and I would have gotten the true, like the ultimate move of what is this, like 200 something points? Yeah. So that's what hurt first. So I was like, oh man, like I done fucked up. But then I was like, okay, it might give me another shot. So when Valdez was getting long on that pullback, I still had my bearish eyes on. I didn't care about those orders sitting down there. I was like, them bitches ain't got filled, so I don't care what they are. And then I saw the absorption up here. It was almost back at the 50%. So I was like, all right, cool. I'm gonna try it short. It came back up, putting the lower high once I stopped myself out the first time.
So I got back in, and I don't know. I guess I just got scared, and the market dumped, and that's all she wrote.
Yeah,
and now
it's okay to be scared, but you gotta figure out a way. Like this weekend, I want you to review the hell out of this part of the tape, right? And figure out what it is on the tape or whatever it is in you that's making you so afraid. You gotta fight it.
Yeah, I think I just should have accepted just accepted the risk. I mean, I was in the right trend. I was in the right direction. I waited for the pullback. I think I freaked myself out. It is what it is. Like you said, I just, I got to get better. And it's just working on it. But yeah, it hurts a little bit. It definitely hurts, but nothing was lost. And, I guess everything is gained by the lesson. So it's a missed opportunity, which I'm definitely gonna note. But yeah, I definitely some things to work on. But I'm happy with my analysis. I guess it's the one thing I hold my hat on. I read the market well. I executed on it. I just didn't execute. I executed well on the entry, but I didn't execute well in like actually holding and seeing it through. So just something I need to work on. Let's say the market's about to retrace here, but I don't even care. I don't even want to touch this. It's all good for me. But anyway, y'all, I think we can wrap it up here. Hobbs, you got any final words?
Man, I got nothing, man. I'm enjoying the journey. I'm enjoying the growth. If you guys are interested in, joining the Discord link is down below. We're warming up, man. We're warming up. And all we can do is continue to get better, do the homework, focus on, the journey as much as possible. And, I really, really hope that you guys are doing the work and not just, showing up, right? You got to do the work, because once you start to really do the work and fall in love with the process, everything will line itself up. So I appreciate each and every one of you guys for tapping in with the Trader Shop. And we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.
Yeah. Peace. Thanks, Demetri, for the kind words, by the way. Thank you.